Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your wealth with Invesco, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To protect your wealth with Invesco, start by visiting the Invesco website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Provide your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Set a strong password to secure your account. After registering, log in to your new Invesco account. Explore the available investment products offered by Invesco. Consider diversifying your portfolio with a mix of equities, bonds, and alternative investments. Use the risk assessment tools to evaluate your investment preferences. Set your financial goals by determining your investment horizon and risk tolerance. Review their educational resources to enhance your understanding of wealth protection strategies. Take advantage of Invesco's market insights and research to inform your investment decisions. Contact an Invesco advisor for personalized guidance tailored to your financial situation. Establish a regular investment schedule to build your wealth consistently over time. Monitor your portfolio regularly to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Make adjustments as needed based on market conditions and personal circumstances. Stay informed about economic trends and how they may impact your investments. Utilize tax-efficient investment strategies to maximize your returns. Create a plan for withdrawing funds in a manner that does not jeopardize your long-term wealth. Finally, revisit and update your investment strategy as your financial goals evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.